Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ants. So in this video I tell you about how to view Google 3D animals in your Android mobile or iOS devices. So in few days back this Google introduced its one of the new update, and the update is you can view animals in 3D format and also take your selfie images with these animals. So if you like to know this trick, just follow me friends. So first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser in your Android mobile or iOS device, or simply you can open Google application. So now in the search bar section you can type any animal's name. For example, I try to type lion and then hit to enter, and it shows the search results, but you can scroll down and then it shows meet a life-sized lion up close. So by simply press this view in 3D option. So now you can see it shows the 3D image preview and also I hear the lion sound. So if you want to take a selfie with this lion, by simply press view in your option. But sometimes it asks for your camera permission, so you can click to access it. But here I already give the permission, so my camera is automatically turned on. But in bottom it shows one message, and the message is let's find the ground. Point your phone down and move it around. So just focus your mobile camera to your floor tiles. So and then you can see now my 3D image is successfully placed on my floor tiles. So this is the way you can easily view 3D animals by using the Google application. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ants, and thanks for watching.